rate of speed, he just won't stop. We're going about 20 miles an hour northbound on Beaver, passing Knoll. She's still obeying the traffic lights, she just won't stop. What are you gonna do?
Yep, won't stop. Yeah, I mean, what are you gonna do? Well, yeah, she's known for that.
On March 31st, 2023, officers initiated a routine traffic stop in a suburban American neighborhood. What followed was a police pursuit at 20 miles per hour, with the driver obeying every red light.
Dispatch, check this out. Be with that David John Victor 3324, David John Victor 3324. He pulled to the side of the road. We're now heading westbound on Liberty. Not rate of speed, he just won't stop. Yeah, currently following. Like I said, no rate of speed. Made a right, northbound on Beaver. That's clear, dispatch. We're going about 20 miles an hour northbound on Beaver, passing Knoll.
Bowman and Beaver. Bowman and Beaver. He stopped, we're out with him.
Show me your hands! Show me your hands!
He's taking off again. They're continuing. Direction. Northbound Beaver. 15, I got the mic.
15 dispatch, we're northbound. Female driver, Asian. That's clear, we're just coming up to the point now. She's still obeying the traffic lights, she just won't stop. Yeah, I mean, we could probably spike it. We're northbound on Burbank. Passing the 1500 block. Westbound Highland. Driver, show me your hands!
Out of the car. Out of the car.
She's still got... Put the car in park! Put the car in park! Put the car in park! Now!
Cái gì? Muốn cái gì của tôi?
Car in park!
Muốn cái what the heck cái gì? Tôi đâu có tiền.
Car in park!
Tiền hả? Tiền chưa có đi làm. Ta chưa cho có tiền.
There's a lot of glass. Hold on just a second.
Tôi phải có tiền nữa nè. Tôi cũng phải cần có tiền để tôi mua ba cái đồ xài. Sao mày đập bể xe vậy?
Get up. Out. Out. Out.
Không có được đau tay. Không có được xấu.
No.
Xấu.
No.
Đàn ông xấu. Đàn
No.
ông xấu. Đàn ông police xấu. Đàn ông police xấu. Đàn ông police xấu. Xấu. Không có được làm dơ đầu được. Không có được lấy cái làm rách mấy cái tùm lum nữa. Tay.
She's got lots of marks all over. I don't know if that was from the glass or not.
Tôi đã cho phất lờ không phải đừng có chung đụng nữa. Tôi tự take care. Mai tự take care mai ok. Made it also means very okay. Không có được lấy cái đồ đó ra.
We'll just go ahead and search her here.
Đồ đó đồ đẹp. Đồ đẹp, đồ đẹp. Tất cả là đồ đẹp thôi hả?
We'll cut it.
Yeah.
Đồ đẹp là sạch không? Không có phải rơi. Đừng có làm hơi của đồ mới rồi.
Stop.
Không có làm thêm sách mới
Stop.
Á. Không có làm quay mày mới của giò nữa.
Okay, she's
Đừng có làm
gripped
làm
on
quay
it.
đó. Thôi cái đó hả? No, không thêm quay.
Let go.
No, thêm sách. No, không thêm sách nữa.
Look,
Không cho sách.
you're doing things the hard way, just so you
Cất lại
know.
trong xe. Tôi kêu tôi phải bị đem
Yeah,
kêu
cut it.
mấy cái đồ chớm ra nữa. Đổi thêm mới quay à. Không.
She got anything in that
Tôi
pocket?
quay
I
của
did not
tôi.
check.
You believe xấu. Làm gì xấu rồi. Không có làm đúng cái
She's clear.
của người ngoài
Okay.
đời hết trơn á.
Get her in a cruiser.
I
so
don't
we
know
can
what her
clear
deal
the-
is. I have
This is
no
her
idea.
deal.
Ông mót đàn bà hả?
She just
Ông
does
tao
this.
làm mai
Is
rồi
she-
gái của mày hả?
she
Tao
get
làm mẹ
intoxicated?
của mày đâu. Tao không làm model của mày đâu mà tao phải kiếm vợ cho mày. Tao kiếm bà nào tao ngó là dòm gì cho mày hả? Tao còn chưa có thằng ông nào lên
Let's put her in back.
Yeah,
cho mình vừa nữa. Đó. Chồng chứ quên, thằng chồng chứ quên, mình nói chồng chứ quên. Không phải đàn ông mà nói chồng.
We'll put her other side if we can.
Tôi nói chồng cho tôi, chồng của tôi. Chồng của tôi là không phải đàn bà.
Get in.
Chồng của
Take a seat.
chồng lên.
Seat.
Đàn bà rồi không thể đi kiếm đàn bà chồng lên rồi vô duyên nữa. Cái đó đàn ông nhưng mà nó bị gánh thêm lắm trong chuyện đàn bà. Tôi cho nên tôi bực quá, tôi phải đi ra khỏi cái đám trong chuyện.
You good?
Yeah, just out of nowhere, you know,
Kirsten did the same thing last summer. So.
with her.
Yeah.
Đánh cái này bể xe rồi, phải đưa cái đó lại đây. Đưa đây cho me, please. Cái đó my personality.
We cancel 99 or we want to go back. Code for Claire. Thank you.
Hello, sir. Your wife is my van, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we need. I could probably give you a ride if you have no one else here to give you a ride. She currently just got arrested. She's stopped at Burbank and Highland right now. If you need a ride, I could give you a ride to come get the car, or else they're going to tow it. They were in a pursuit with her. She's arrested right now. Okay.
Okay.
I don't know all the details. I wasn't in it, but that's what I know. And we're just before we tow the vehicle, I came up here to try and stop and get you since I was around the corner to see if you'd
Is
want
she
to.
still at the car, or she already?
I know she's in handcuffs. As far as I know, she's still on scene and hasn't been taken to jail yet. But I imagine that's where she will be going.
Okay.
If you would like, I can give you a ride unless you have someone else that's with you.
Yeah. Can you give me a ride out there?
Yeah, I can give you a ride.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.
I'll be right out.
My name đó. Cái mấy cái đó là hạt cát của my name không à. Không có người khác nào phải sử dụng được đâu. Đúng name của mình đó mình mới phải giữ trên trong hand của mình. Đi bất cứ nơi đây anywhere. Some money, some hạt cát của tên mi đó để dành mà mình cần dùng mấy cái đồ dùng á.
What are you gonna do?
Yep, one stop. Your gloves are tagging. She's known to do that. Yeah, I mean, what are you gonna do? I figured rather than play this game, I just stopped her at 30 and 41.
I tried.
41. I'll be giving her husband a ride. God, advise him he'll probably need a blanket. He's got a broken window now. Okay. I don't know how many times we've had to do that.
Well, yeah, she's known for that. Do you want to pull this around the corner?
He's supposed to be on his way, so
Okay.
we'll bring him here and just let him take it home.
The stop itself was constitutionally sound under Delaware versus Prowse, 1979, where unusually slow speed establishes reasonable suspicion. The extended pursuit, however, raises proportionality concerns under IACP model policy for minor traffic violations lacking immediate public danger. The window breach requires analysis under the objective reasonableness standard of Graham versus Connor, decided in 1989. 3 factors govern: crime severity, immediate threat to officer safety, and active resistance or flight from apprehension. Here, the underlying offense was minor, and the driver was unarmed and stationary inside her vehicle. This places the force decision squarely within a legally contested zone requiring individualized justification.
Đưa cái mi sơ kia, đưa cho mi personality của mi. Cái sớm mấy cái đồ đó là của riêng, không có không có được cho cái người khác được. Cái quần slip của tôi là tôi phải bận.
I figured there's no point in spiking it because she'll just drive on them rims all the way home.
Did she hit you or did she stop?
No, she stopped. That's not in policy, but this is a special circumstance. I knew she wouldn't stop.
Sir, you may want, before you shut the door, you may want to bring a blanket. Sounds like they busted out the window and there's going to be glass. So if you have a blanket or some thick padding you could put down to sit on that, just so you're aware, sir. Just so you don't sit on glass and cut yourself. Okay?
See if there's any alcohol or anything in the car.
So obviously the pursuit failure to stop and stuff. License is expired since 2010.
Yeah, she hasn't had it in a while.
Yeah.
I don't know why she still gets a car.
Probably just take her down. Take her down to the county.
She drinks?
Book her in.
I don't know if she usually drinks or
I don't
not.
think
She is.
She's just
They're eating
out
it
of it.
MPH.
She never cooperates.
Well, I remember Rob smashed her window like last summer or the summer before.
Yeah, I think it's just...
She ran into Maurice's car.
I think she's just out there. Yeah, I've never known if she's been a drinker or not.
I didn't smell any alcohol.
She's just 74. I thought she was going to take off again. I'm like, oh, here we go.
Well, I positioned angled in front of her down at Bowman and Beaver. She went around the block basically, and well, around a few blocks. But yeah, she just I still gave her an out, and she took it. I was surprised.
And then you probably just put it in. That might be his husband now.
Oh, that'll work. Yep, he's in too.
All right.
Never mind then. I'll get some pictures of this.
Yeah.
She's not under the arrest warrant or anything, is she?
Yeah, actually, they just took her to jail. Yes, she is under arrest, sir.
For what? The warrant? There's a warrant or?
No, they were in a pursuit with her.
Oh, okay.
As to why they had to stop her right here like this.
Okay.
You can go ahead and take the car. She doesn't have a license. How is she still getting cars? Does she have access to the keys to these cars? Then?
Yeah. Yeah. She hide the key. You
She
know.
hides a key?
Yeah.
Great.
You know.
Well, if the key's still in it, I would hide that one
Okay.
and keep the keys out of her reach, because this keeps happening with her in the past. So
You know. When I keep the key, I put a brake on the car. She's going to destroy my car.
oh,
That's,
really?
She's a mentally ill.
Yeah, I know.
That's the problem. I just couldn't tell her, stop driving, but just
I get
she's
it.
getting crazy, and yeah, and sometimes she's going to stop me as well. I mean that's when she's getting crazy, when I
Yeah,
ran
she
over
gets violent. I know that. so.
Yeah,
All right. All right, sir. Thanks for coming up and getting it. I'll move out of your way. All right, you good. A lot of this glass will probably come falling down. So. All right. Thank you, sir.
The critical legal pivot emerges under Title II of the Americans with Disabilities Act. This statute requires officers to provide reasonable accommodation to persons with apparent mental disabilities. The Supreme Court extended this framework to police encounters in Sheehan v. San Francisco, 2015. The fleeing and eluding charge creates a deeper problem, requiring mens rea, a conscious intent to evade lawful authority. Where cognitive capacity is compromised by acute psychiatric crisis, prosecutors face significant hurdles under the monotone insanity standard. Defense counsel may alternatively raise incompetency to stand trial under Dusky v. United States, 1960. Municipal liability may attach under City of Canton v. Harris, 1989, through Section 1983. Departments face exposure for deliberate indifference when inadequate training fails recurring mental health subjects. Where a subject is a known recurring individual, the absence of crisis intervention team deployment becomes legally consequential. The officers receive a B-Force restraint and family coordination were commendable, but CIT non-deployment was not. The driver receives no grade, as diminished capacity precludes meaningful evaluation under traditional behavioral standards. The husband receives a B+ for immediate transparency, cooperation, and honest disclosure of his wife's condition. The department receives a B- for failing to establish protocols for recurring mental health subjects. 3 critical takeaways emerge from this analysis for both law enforcement and civilians. First, a lawful stop does not authorize unlimited escalation. Proportionality is a continuing constitutional constraint. Second, when mental illness becomes apparent, standard enforcement protocols must yield to ADA-mandated accommodation. Third, criminal charges require mens rea. Prosecutors must evaluate cognitive capacity before pursuing intent-based offenses. Let us know which interaction or legal topic you would like us to analyze next in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on police court interactions.